What's up, beauty crew, and welcome back to SheDoesBeauty. And if you're new, hello. So for today's video, we're going to be doing this cute Playboy bunny design, so let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I'm just going to take some clear acrylic and kind of make a barrier just so I know where I'm going to have the separation of colors, because I'm going to do a half and half nail. So I'm just going to build up the clear on one side, and then I'm going to take the brown acrylic and put it on the other side of the nail and make sure it's super opaque. I got this brown acrylic from, Savagenailsupply. They are on Instagram, but I'll link their shop down below. This is the first time I'm using it, so I kind of like how pigmented it is. I think this one is called Brownie. I will link that again down below, and you can buy it in a collection. I bought the whole collection of nudes, but I do believe they sell it separately as well. So now we're just going to make sure that we fill up that whole side with the brown and make sure we're not missing any spots. I think this brown would look super cute with like a full brown set, like a solid color brown, or even like a French tip brown. I'm loving it so far, and I can't wait to try all the other colors. So now, after we made that super opaque and to our liking, we're going to add a little razzle dazzle and just put some gold flakes all over that section. And sometimes you might have to dip your brush into monomer because sometimes the foils don't want to stick. But I just like to grab a big piece, and my neighbor's going by with a loud car. But I just like to take a big piece of foil and just kind of smash it and poke it around and play with it just to get it into those little nooks and crannies. After we're done playing with the foil, we're going to move on to the clear side, and we are going to take Periodt Pooh, and we're going to apply that glitter all over to that side of the nail. This is like Mylar with a little bit of pink shift, green shift, and a little bit of purple. It depends what color background is behind it. That's when the colors will kind of change and give it a different effect. This one is from Nailheavensupply also, and I'll link it down below. I love like the Mylar glitters or any kind of clear glitter. I think they add a lot to a set. That's why you always see me using at least one of them. But I think every set needs a little glitter, you know, just a little bit. So now, after we have that all over that side of the nail, we're going to add in some of our Playboy charms along with a little bit of the LV like flowers. I think these two are a really cute combo. So just play with them, put them to your liking. If you want to do them all straight, you can. I like to kind of crisscross, zigzag them a little bit. And then after that, we'll go ahead and encapsulate the entire nail. And I believe I got these off of Etsy. I like to just type in nail charms and the cutest and most random nail charms pop up, like really cute ones. So I'll link these down below too. Make sure that you are looking on Etsy and like Amazon and eBay. When you're on any of those sites, always check reviews because the reviews don't really lie. Some of them do because they buy them, but a lot of them don't. If they're bad reviews, they're probably telling the truth, so listen to it. Then we're just going to keep placing the last of our charms, and then we're going to encapsulate the entire nail. When encapsulating, the biggest thing you want to make sure of is that all the charms are underneath the clear acrylic. That way when you file, none of the gold foils, none of the charms, and the glitter, nothing is going to rub off, nothing is going to file off. And all of your design is going to stay the same and protected underneath that clear acrylic encapsulation. After you're done encapsulating and the nail is to your liking and everything is covered and nothing is poking out, no little bunny ears, no flower petal, no gold foil, everything is nice and encapsulated. Now we can go ahead and take our file, our drill, and our buffer, and we can file, shape, and buff these nails into shape and just make sure that they're nice and slender or to your client's liking. So now it's time to reveal our beautiful design underneath that we worked so hard on, and add our top coat. Sometimes the camera just does not do justice to how beautiful some of these glitters really are and how cute the nails really came out. But let's go ahead and put this nail in the lamp and we'll bring it out for a reveal. And voila! I am in love with how this nail came out. Super simple, but so elegant, and it has like that oomph factor, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this nail video. Don't forget to leave a like down below, and please consider subscribing if you would like to see more videos. I love you, beauty crew. See you in the next one. Bye!